Yeah, g'day. Yeah, g'day. Yeah, g'day. Yeah, g'day. Oh, beauty. Yeah, g'day. It's been a long while since I made one of these. I've been putting off making videos at the moment because I've still got all my Tassie videos to go through, and I've still got about 3 of them I want to make. And I mean, shit, I've had no excuse. I don't really work too much. But yeah, I thought today I'd make one because I'm going into Purpose Built Moto with my buddy Tom. He's got a rad little shop down there, and I've been doing some videos for him lately, and they're pretty cool. Like, he makes some really good bikes in there. I'm heading in there this morning. We're gonna get some footage and make this new series that he wants to get done, which would be cool. Big shout out to Fuji. My camera broke the other day, and I hit him up and asked him if they could send me out a spare while they repair mine. And they were more than happy to help. So I was stoked because I literally need to use it every day. Yeah, thanks Fuji for giving me a camera so I can keep doing my job. Got it.
Get a bunch of shots of it once it's cleaned up, just sort of like how it is from the front, side and all that.
Just Purpose Built Moto filming with the boys. A lot of good stuff. Nearly wrapping up. Should be a good new series.
Better off going to like suspension specialist.
Alright, work done. Time to finish the day the best way we know.
Get out of that person's yard.
Man, you're so good at getting into that yard now. Every time we skate, every captain fucking hefty feet launches his board over someone's fence. Today it's both fences. There and there.
They land on them.
That was it. Get it. You gonna get it?
No. Probably not.